All right, today we're learning English in a different way. We're going to learn 10 idioms, the kind of English native speakers actually use, and don't worry, I'll keep it simple. First one, break the ice. This means to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example, he told a joke to break the ice. Next, hit the nail on the head. This means you said something exactly right. Example, you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly the problem. All right, number 3. Piece of cake. This means something is very easy. Example, the test was a piece of cake. Next one, under the weather. This means you feel sick. Example, I'm feeling under the weather today. Now listen to this. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. Example, he spilled the beans about the surprise party. Next, cost an arm and a leg. This means something is very expensive. Example, that car cost me an arm and a leg. All right, bite the bullet. This means to do something difficult or painful. Example, I didn't want to go, but I bit the bullet. Next one, let the cat out of the bag. This also means to reveal a secret by mistake. Example, she let the cat out of the bag about the wedding. Now this is common. On the same page. This means to agree or understand each other. Example, let's make sure we're on the same page. Last one, call it a day. This means to stop working. Example, I'm tired. Let's call it a day. All right, don't try to remember everything at once. Just pick 2 or 3 and start using them today. That's how you improve. I'll see you in the next lesson.